So there's nearly constant lightning. A few minutes ago, it was an absolutely torrential downpour. You can see somewhere in there. I'm at the top of, well, not at the top. I think I'm on the 8th floor of a hotel. Wow, I saw that one. Oh, I saw that one too. And I know a few things have lost power in this town. We're in Maryland. Saw that one. See if I can get closer to this window. That didn't work. My tripod's all packed away, so I'm not gonna go get that. But this is that storm that spawned the spiderweb lightning earlier. Hold on a second. There we go. Yeah, that's better. So there was really high winds. This really ominous shelf cloud with this red glow from the town and the green, blue, black colors of the storm. And there was this blue, green glow coming out of the storm. And then there was so much rain. I think by the time the torrential rain stopped, the parking lot had about an inch of water. Inch and a half some places. There weren't many lightning strikes in this rain core. Just some flashes. Gonna stop in about a minute. But I couldn't film too much of that spider lightning earlier because I was out eating dinner and I just went out into the parking lot for a couple minutes. Okay, this looks like a good place to stop. Alright, we're under tornado warning. I was kind of guessing that the storm may or may not have been a supercell earlier, but I figured that was just me being desperate. So, apparently this is a supercell. No confirmed tornado or funnel clouds yet. So our TV power's out, we can't really get the news. I don't know if the fan just stopped or the power was cut. So if something starts happening, I'll start filming again. I'm gonna stop it here.
Line in that general direction. We've got these arrows pointing the winds going that way, winds coming this way.
So this is a live weather broadcast.
Some rotation as far as the storm system goes. I don't think if we looked at our plain old radar, John, again, click on an image of that maybe that just shows us the rain, we're probably not going to be able to see it because there's so much rain out there now. The whole area is embedded and it's very difficult to find the actual circulation just by looking at the rain. Again, it's not one single cell producing this tornado. It is a big area of rain, and embedded in that is the circulation that we've been concerned with. So heavy rain up 83, but that's not where the possible tornado is. And also down to the south, what we're concerned with is some rotation that shows up when we look at the wind speeds within that rain, and that appears to be on the northern sections of Baltimore City and perhaps getting up toward the top side of the Beltway. This is estimated rainfall over the past 3 hours. Notice the green down there. We're starting to get quite a bit of rain in some of the darker blue shading areas. In some locations we saw earlier, rain over 2.5 inches coming down in some of the heavier downpours with these storms as they've been tracking through. You can see side by side here is the imagery of all the lightning strikes. Our Skycam picking up on numerous lightning strikes. These storms have been loaded with lightning across the area. And so possible tornado moving through Baltimore County, just south of the Beltway up in here, moving up toward the eastern sections of the county and toward Harford County, Baltimore County line. Would expect numerous lightning strikes with this, maybe even some small hail embedded in there, but the potential for the storm to drift off to the northeast at about 30 miles an hour or so, and that's what we're concerned with. So switch it back to weather 2, Tim, if you could. If we can give us weather, there we go. So it looks like the tornado warning has been canceled as the storm continues to show signs of weakening. Still the potential for wind damage with a severe thunderstorm warning in eastern Baltimore County, Harford County, but notice there's no more red. The red is the tornado warning, and apparently the National Weather Service has canceled that now for our area. So I guess we can get you back to regular programming. We'll keep an eye on radar. If any other possible tornadoes pop up, we'll let you know.
Okay, we're gonna stop this here. So there you can see the underside of the supercell. It's moving pretty fast, but they say the rotation is dying. Hold on a second. Can't really see that there. I think that might be fog. What is that? That's just fog. Oh. It's my phone. Flash flood warning. Thought that fog might have been a tornado. Oh, there's that fan. Is that fog? See that light spot in there? The kind of hazy white spot. And then you see right in the middle there, there's kind of a appendage. You know what? That could be a funnel cloud. It's gonna go in behind the tree there. Still a lot of lightning. And then there's this. I think that's just fog. Too dark to see it. Alright, I'm gonna finish.